Imagine in a negotiation you receive a reasonable offer from your counterpart. Should you accept their first offer? My name is Giuseppe Conti. I'm a business school professor and the founder of Conti Advanced Business Learning, a company that specializes in negotiation and influencing. My advice is not to accept the first offer from the counterpart, even if it's fair and reasonable. Whenever you accept somebody else's first offer, there is a psychological bias that takes place, which is called the winner's curse. What it means that the person that just got their offer accepted will feel unhappy because they feel that they could have made a better offer, they could have made a better deal. Let me explain it with a real life situation. Imagine you want to buy a BMW. Now, your finances are not so great, so you cannot afford a new one, you're looking for a second-hand one. And the kind of BMW you want costs approximately 30,000. Now, after a lot of research, you found one at 25,000, which is sold by a private owner not too far away from where you live. You go and see this person, and maybe you have done a negotiation workshop with me and you learn that you want to give yourself some room for negotiation. So you start the negotiation and you say, listen, it was a difficult year for me. I would love to buy your car. I would like to buy it for 22,000. The owner of the car looks at the wife and says, okay, let's give it to him at 22,000. Now, you should be ecstatic, right? The market value is 30,000, you ended up getting it at 22,000. It looks like a great deal. But guess what? In your mind, there will be two reflections. The first one, I should have offered 20,000. The second is, what's wrong with the car if they're prepared to sell it so much below the market value? So remember the key message, make sure that you don't let the other party experience the winner's curse, so never accept the first offer from your counterpart. For more insight on negotiation and influencing, check our website www.cabl.ch. Thank you.